Hello again. Now we're on to week 2, which I'm doing 2 weeks at a time, as you can tell from the same outfit and hair. Anyway, so today we're talking about 2 last things about acids and bases. The first is that acids and bases are what's called electrolytes. Electrolytes means that they conduct electricity. So if you have lemon juice, which is a weak acid, lemon juice conducts electricity. Don't try it at home. Don't even think about it. Anyway, so if you have an acid base, the reason that it conducts electricity, I'm going to give you a very brief description because one of your assignments this week is to research a little bit more into it and write a paragraph. But basically what happens is when you have an acid or a base, when it goes into water, it splits into H plus and Cl minus. Or if you have a base and you put it in water, it splits into Na plus in this case, and OH minus. These are, as you know, called ions. If you have ions dissolved in water, they conduct electricity. So, and I showed you this before, here's your beaker with some liquid, right? And if you've got Na plus, OH minus, Na plus, OH minus, as the electricity goes through, let's say the electricity goes here, it goes from ion to ion to ion and can go back out. So basically that liquid now conducts electricity. Okay, the other thing that you need to know, my lovely eraser, which is my finger, is pH. So I'm going to draw you a scale. It's very simple. 7's in the middle, 14 on one side, 0 or 1 on the other. Okay, in the middle is 7, that's neutral. 1 is an acid. So 1 to 7, actually this whole thing is an acid. 1 to 7 is acidic. And 7 to 14 is basic. Okay, so the ones that are 1, this is the strong acids, and as you get closer to 7, it gets weaker. So down here near, let's say, pH of 6 would be weak acids. 14 would be a strong base, and as you go nearer to 7, you've got a weak base. Okay? Here's the thing you need to know. On table K, right? Table K is for acids, table L is for bases. The higher up on the table, the stronger it is. So I think HCl is on the top, if I remember correctly. HCl is the strongest. As you go down the list on table K, so that would be CH3COOH on the bottom, that's the weakest. Same thing with table L. Whatever is listed at the top, which is NaOH, is going to be the strongest. Whatever's on the bottom is the weakest. So you have 2 assignments this week. The first is to write 1 paragraph. It's very long. I think you can handle it though. Write 1 paragraph about giving me more detail about why acids and bases conduct electricity. You can go off of what I said because that's the basic definition. I just want a little more detail. And then your second assignment is to tell me the name, based on table K and L, of a strong acid, a weak acid, something that's neutral, which is water, by the way, a weak base, and a strong base. All you have to do is look at table K and L. So the assignments this week should not take you very long. They're not meant to. So hope you're having a great week, and I will talk to you again next week. Bye.